In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post on Patreon. Now, once you've created your Patreon page, you're going to have the option here to create a post, and you can choose who sees it. So if you only want your fans to see it, your Patreon supporters, you can set it to that. Or if you want everyone to see it, you can also do that as well. So for this to work and for you to understand what I'm saying, you are going to need a Patreon account already set up. If you want to set it up from scratch, I've made a full video on that. So just go to my channel and search how to create Patreon account, you'll see it. Now, here I am inside of my Patreon page, which I've just set up for video tutorials. Now, to actually create a post, you need to go to create in the bottom left-hand corner. And then once you click on this button, you can then create either a video, audio, image, or post. We can even do a live stream. I'm just gonna create a post here, just a text post. So I'll just call this how to make money online. And let's say I'm making a post on the best ways to make money online for my fans, or I'm dropping like a business model that no one's heard of before. This is how to make money online. So let's just say this is a full post. Again, you can go and post an image or a video. Maybe you want just like a specific video to go only to your fans. You can do that. So I'm going to leave it as this for the video. But obviously you would take more care with your posts, and you obviously have something in mind that you want to actually post. You can create collections as well. These are going to be like playlists essentially, and they're going to just have collections. Maybe you have different topics that you talk about. I could create a collection. I could call this Make Money Online, things like that. And you can also sell these collections. So if you want this to be extra, you can enable this and you can set a price. Maybe in my case, I have a collection full of YouTube tips that I want people to pay extra for. I can set a price for that collection. But I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm just going to click next. And here you've got the option here to limit who sees this. So I can put this as a public post. So when someone goes to my Patreon account, everyone will see it. Or I can change it to all members. And these are going to be like the free subscribers. I can change it to paid members, free members only, or selected tiers. So let's say I only want you to see this if you're paying £50 a month. I can uncheck this sell post, and we can go ahead and make sure this is all good, and we can publish this. Now this post will only be available to the people who subscribe to my £50 a month tier, right? So this is how you would start to build out your Patreon account, and this is how you can create posts for specific people and specific tiers. You need to do this to build out your page to give different people in different tiers different value based on the amount that they have paid, right? So going back to my page, you will then see this post here and you can see all the likes and impressions. So that's how you can create a post in Patreon. I hope that helped.